In this video, we're introducing our BHK hair system. Designed with a 0.04mm ultra-thin skin base for a truly undetectable finish. At the front hairline, we use V-loop ventilation within the first half-inch to create a clean, knot-free appearance. For the rest of the base, this system features single-split knots. This technique has been trusted in the industry for over 30 years. By combining these two techniques, the BHK strikes a balance between realism and longevity, making it a practical choice for clients who want both appearance and performance. This model comes in medium light density. Using high-quality Indian hair, it features a standard front contour, 5 to 6 inches in length, and a 30mm curl pattern, suitable for everyday styling needs. If your clients are looking for a thin skin system with enhanced durability without compromising on natural appearance, the BHK is a reliable option.